Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to make a very unique pattern which suits well with the saree, and it is done within 10 minutes. So I want to just share this design with all of you. So this is the saree for which we are going to make the blouse design, and it is a black saree and it is a Banaras silk, and see, you can find a king design. It is completely made up of silver zari. A king is holding a flower creeper, and one line it is king and another line it is a queen. So this is a king and queen famous saree, and which has got a red color very small border, half-inch border, and this is a partition between the pallu and the saree, and it's like a kingdom. So the whole theme of the saree is the kingdom, where king, queen and the palace, everything are woven in a black color cloth with beautiful bright silver zari. See, pallu is looking very nice and suits well with the saree. See, and woven blouse given for that, and that also completely with the silver zari, and I have stitched that with a invisible piping. It's a normal round neck, so it has come out very well. So I plan for a very easy and unique pattern for this. Sleeves are also given with red color piping. It's in between red and maroon color, but looks very good for this combination of black and silver. For that I have silver kind of mirrors we have, like that. It is the silver plate. It can be used as the substitute for mirror, and the frame which suits for that the same maroon color, and gum and thread required to complete this pattern. So first I am sticking the silver plate with the help of the gum near to the neckline, quarter inch just away from the neckline. And this is a ring available in all colors in the market, very cheap also, and one side it is bumpy and another side flat. I apply gum on the flat side of that and stick on the mirror plate. If you fix mirror and stitch the outline, it will take a day or more than that, but this will happen within 10 minutes, and it has to dry. That's it. See, without giving any gap, I am fixing one after another very quickly, and it is a stress-free job, and our blouse will be elevated so nicely. See, from the piping quarter inch, and between one frame and the other frame just a thread gap. So I am fixing in that way all over the neck. Easy job, no? So you please go and buy this. Ask, it is called mirror plate. Not only along the neck, I want to give that in the sleeve portion also. So let us fix. See, while fixing, please take care that the ring is not foldable, so that it should not be placed in the fold of the blouse sleeve, so that I am starting after that fold, so it is easy to fold and store in a wardrobe. So metal plate and the ring. See how easily it is fixed. Like that you complete the whole set, both the sides of the sleeves, even the front side. So I am fixing in the front neck also, mirror plate and the ring. And here, since it is completely woven with silver thread, you no need to use any beads and all. It is very simple, at the same time most glowing design, and finishing is very neat. Anybody can do this design. So kings and queens will really love this glittery effect in their saree, and the saree look is completely changed after finishing this design. So please search for the, if possible, search for the same saree. And because this red, silver and black combination is so lovely and highlighted. Now I stitch along the maroon color frame using the same maroon thread so that the stitches will be invisible. It's a running stitch, 4 or 5 places you can stitch along the circle, so that even machine can wash this blouse, nothing will harm the pattern. Gentle wash is not required because already we fixed the mirror plate with gum, also the frame with the gum, and not only that, we are stitching it also. This can be done only with the hand stitching, but easy job only. So you all please try. See, this is the finished look. This is a queen design, what I said. Excellent saree and a blouse, and I am proud to have this saree. Very nice. See how the pallu. Hope you all will try this design. Hope you enjoyed also. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Share with your friends. Inform to your friends to watch my channel. And thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.